Hello guys, yes, you read the title. I'm playing Five Nights at Monkey's, and I'm recording this after doing the challenge. I don't like this game.
And a few things about this job, so let's get into it. The job is simple. All you need to do is watch the cameras, and if anything tries to get you, just close the door by pressing the red button. To open the door, press the green button. Make sure not to have the door closed for too long, since you have a limited amount of power, aka battery.
Oh, he went. He's gone.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snake.
Perfectly safe. Nothing. Where is he? Two a.m. So where is he? Where is he? I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Woo! He's right there.
Detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please.
No, here's the thing. He's just not on the cameras anymore. Is that supposed to happen? Like, he's just not on the camera. Like, am I gonna get jumped? Like, yo, bro, show yourself. What happens if you get on lose battery? Does like Lemming shout up and just shoot you in the head? I mean, that'd be a good ending, wouldn't it be? August 6th, that better happen. That better happen. Yes! I made it!
Is this revenge I'm seeking someone?
Hello? Hello? Oh, hey, you made it to the second
Oh
night.
no.
Congrats. Close. To the camera, press that emergency reset button, or else you won't make it out alive. Also, if you notice one of the creatures on cam 3 pull the lever, that will shock it to prevent it from getting in. Is there anything else? Oh.
Oh no.
Who?
I don't think he was very nice.
Who?
Did I do it? I'm pretty sure I did. What was that?
Alive. Also, if you notice one of the creatures on cam 3 pull the lever, that will shock it to prevent it from getting in. Is there anything else?
What did I do? He wasn't even done yet. Yeah, I see you. I see you. Oh my, I have to edit like 30 minutes of content now. This is gonna be so much fun. Okay, I both have them on a camera. I just need to stare at this camera, and I cannot possibly die. Zap him! Zap him! Imagine the audio just doesn't say, so I have to then record this all. Wow, this is a very long hour. Yeah, I could just not do like the yay, finally.
I want to throw you out just like my brother.